Alright guys, 2012 Dodge Avenger 2.4 liter engine here. Replace the alternator. I'm gonna guide you guys. I'm not gonna be doing it because I already done it. I'm an idiot, not for changing the alternator and recording while I was changing. So let me put this down. How I did this was, first of all, you're gonna have to take out this bucket here, 10 millimeter or 13 millimeter here. This one didn't come off. I tried to heat it, but I don't want to go crazy, so I spliced it off. After that, you could bend this bracket a little bit. You're gonna have to put a floor jack underneath the vehicle, underneath the engine, and what you want to do is you want to remove these 13 millimeter bolts and the 16 millimeters right there, or 17, whatever those are. Jack up the engine. Okay, the engine's gonna come out. You're gonna move the tensioner, take off the belt, and this thing has a connector and wire in the back there. Take off this 13 millimeter bolt on top of this alternator, and the one in the bottom, you're gonna have to remove that idler pulley. Okay, remove the idler pulley and the bottom bolt, just loosen it about 4 threads, and then this thing has like the bolt in the bottom sits into something like this. Pretty much the bolt can stay on the alternator and it slips right through just like that. Okay, so that's the mechanism in the bottom. So you just need to loosen the bottom one up. You don't need to completely remove it out of the system, but you're not going to be able to do that without removing that idler pulley down there. And then once you jack up the engine, you should be able to slip this alternator this way. You could do the whole job from right over here with the floor jack in the bottom, and then put the engine mount back together. Once complete everything, be careful, be safe, and put everything back together. Make sure you disconnect the battery, or you could just disconnect the negative terminal from over here, so it's no power in there, so you don't short circuit the bottom bolt on the alternator. So pretty much you should be able to do this within 30 to 40 minutes maxed. And if you guys have any questions, do not hesitate to send me a message. See you guys on the next video. Don't forget to follow me and subscribe to my channel, and give it thumbs up and like all of my other videos. So this thing should be giving us right now the battery power. It's hard to connect these cables here, so the battery power should be, let me just see if we could get a good reading here. This is all corroded here, so we should get 14 voltage here. Okay, let me get a good power here. So okay, the battery right now, the alternator is not running, so the battery is 1282. You know what, I'm gonna start up the vehicle and show you guys the power that we're supposed to get out of that. Okay, the key's not in here. Let me grab my key. Key might be in here. There you go, there's the key. All right. Okay, so the battery should be charged at all times. So if your battery's not charged, this car is not even gonna, so this thing was completely dead. So we're gonna try one more time. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this here and that there. We should get 14, okay? 14, 13 above is good. 1450 is perfect. I'm gonna let this car idle, check a few times, and then it's ready to go. If you guys have got any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. And bye-bye. See you guys in the next video.